Yes, welcome back students to our digital classroom. As you all know, we were doing this chapter 2 exercise 2. So in this part of the video I'm going to explain part 11th to part 15th of question number 1 of exercise 2. So let's see how we can solve this question number 11th. Okay, so here we can see that all the parts in this part only, this part from here to here, in this part we can see that we have given the powers of 2 only. Okay, so these powers can be written as a single power of 2 in this way. How we can do this? The powers which are in the numerator shall be added. We add -5 to 9. Here we can write this, and the powers which are in denominator shall be divided. Shall be subtracted from this only. Okay, so here we write -5 plus 9 minus of -2. Okay, and this in this part also we can say this 3 and 3 are these are in numerator, so we add these powers -2 and 2, and -4 is subtracted from that part. Okay, so writing that simply we can solve this here, and this can be written as this. Okay, so 2 to the power 6 is 64 and 3 to the power 4 is 81. This is the question. Let's see how we can solve the next part. Next part is also simple. We just have to, in this part we see that all these bases are different. There is no base which is same. So we are not going to add or subtract any of the powers. Okay, so here we write -6 as -3 into 2, and which is written as power of 3, and this is power 3 is distributed over these two. Then we have 2 as the same base, therefore we subtract these powers, which is -2 and -3. All other things are written as same only. Here we saw that we came out with the power of 2 as -5. So we write the 2 as the denominator, and the power changes to positive sign. Also same happens with the power of 5. When we write the 5 as the denominator, the power of 5 changes to positive. So this whole thing changes to this. Okay, which simply can be written as this, and on solving we get the answer as -3 upon 4000. Okay, moving on to the next question. Here we see we have same base 5, so these can be written as power of 5 only. Power of 5 will be written as -4 minus of -6. Why we are subtracting -6 from this, you can all understand it yourself. Okay, so -2 to the power of 3 comes out to be -8, and on solving this we get as -25 upon 8. Moving on to next part. This part seems to be very difficult because here so many complex things are written, but on a simple observation we can see that all are some powers of 2 only. This can be written as 2 to the power of 5, 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2, it can be written as 2 to the power of 3, and here also it can be written as 2 to the power of 6. So we simply write them as this, and when we write them, these powers get multiplied by the powers already present there. Okay, so this expression changes to this only. You can pause the video and see it and observe it. What you want to observe, you can observe it easily. Okay, so moving there, we can simply write it as this, and here we see that this is divide sign. This means that this power shall be subtracted from this power. So we write as 2 to the power of -2 minus of -2. Okay, and all these powers add up to this. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.